Order food.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Emerson Zoo Line Railroad. For your safety, we'd ask you please keep your arms, your hands, your feet inside the train at all times. No eating, drinking, or smoking allowed while we're aboard the train. Please remain seated all the while the train is in motion. Now, station we just left is the Red Rock. Our next station will be the Wild. As we exit the tunnel on the right-hand side is our 1904 flag cage, built by the Smithsonian Institution for the St. Louis World's Fair. It's 228 feet long, 84 feet wide, and 50 feet tall. The inside is made to look like a southeast Missouri cypress swamp. All the plants and animals would be from that area. Still today, one of the largest walkthrough bird regions. Back to your left, behind all this bamboo over here, would be our exotic bird garden. A beautiful oasis up there that you can walk through and visit with all types of birds from around the world, including our own bald eagle. The black building at the bottom of the hill is our 3D motion simulator ride. Right now playing, I believe, is the Bamboo Express. And back again to the left there would be the fragile forest where you can visit with the chimpanzees, the gorillas, and the orangutans while in their natural-looking habitat. The station we're getting ready to pull into now is the Wild. From the Wild, you can go to the Marianne Lee Conservation Carousel, the Carousel Cafe, the Bear Bluffs, the Fragile Forest, the Motion Simulator Ride, the Walk-Through Flight. If you're remaining on board, please have your tickets ready for the conductor. If not, thanks for riding the Emerson Zoo Line Railroad at the world's famous St. Louis Zoo. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop, and have a very nice day at the zoo. Okay, this is the Wild Station.